Okay, so we can convert units, we can convert square units, but what about compound units? This is where we have multiple units in a unit. So like speed is meters per second, as you will see. And again, we need to derive ratios for compound measures so that it always makes sense. So let's start with this example. The national speed limit for cars is 30 miles an hour. What is that in kilometers per hour? Well, because both are in hours, all we need to do is just convert 30 miles into kilometers. If 5 miles equals 8 kilometers, then 1 mile is going to be 1.6 kilometers, and therefore 30 miles is going to be 48 kilometers per hour. Yeah? What about if we have to convert both of these units? So how are we going to do that? Well, first and foremost, we need to convert the top. So how many kilometers does the car or whatever move in a second? Well, 4 meters is the same as 0.004 kilometers. Okay. And so therefore, 4 meters per second is the same as 0.004 kilometers per second. Okay? Now, that's how much it rides in 1 second. So per hour, all we're going to do is times this time by 3,600. So 0.004 kilometers per second is the same as 0.004 times 3,600. And when we do that, we get an answer of 14.4 kilometers per hour. And the same thing works with density. So water has a density of 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. So what is that in grams per centimeters cubed? Well, how many grams in a kilogram? 1,000 kilograms per meter squared. Sorry, let me rewrite that. All right, where were we? 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed is going to be, well, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So that's just going to be 1 million grams per meters cubed. Okay? However, this is per meter cubed. What about if it's in grams per centimeters cubed? Well, we know from the previous example that 1 meter cubed is the same as 1 million centimeters cubed. The reason why is because if we have 1 meter cube, and it has just 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter, then it has volume of 1 meter cubed. But if we change that into 100 centimeters, then it's the same as 1 million centimeters cubed. Just as a recap from the last video. So all we're going to do is now we have to divide by 1 million. So 1 million grams per centimeters cubed is the same as 1 million divided by 1 million, and we should get an answer of 1 gram per centimeters cubed. Okay? Now, compounded measures also work in real life problems. So if, let's say, we're comparing Maisie and her friend Abby, and we're comparing how much money they make. Maisie earns £8.50 an hour, so £8.50 per hour, right? And she works 30 hours a week for 52 weeks of the year. Sorry. How much is she going to make in a year? Well, £8.50 per hour is equal to 8. Remember, guys. This is for 1 hour. Okay? So for 30 hours, it's just going to be 8.5 times 30, which is equal to £255. And that's for 30 hours. Now, remember what we said here. This is per week. So therefore, this is also per week. And so therefore, in a year, how many weeks are there in a year? 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. And so therefore, 255 per week is equal to 255 times 52, which is equal to 13,266 per year. And as you can see from the question, that is clearly less than what her friend Abby makes, which is 22,800. And so Abby makes more money. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. If you guys liked it, please consider subscribing. Helps out the channel a lot. If you guys have any further questions or comments, join my Discord server down below or ask me in the comments, as it's the easiest way of getting a hold of me. If you guys do not want to fail your exams, drop me an email and we can organize a meeting and a quote on getting tutored. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.